Classic sausage stuffing, the ultimate Thanksgiving side dish that captures the essence of the holiday. This hearty herby creation is not just a supporting act, it's a star in its own right, ready to soak up gravy and complement your perfect roast turkey. What sets this stuffing apart is its irresistible combination of flavors and textures. Day-old French bread forms the base, providing the perfect canvas for savory Italian sausage, aromatic herbs, and a blend of vegetables. The result is a dish that's crispy on top, moist inside, and bursting with flavor in every bite. Let's talk ingredients. At the heart of this stuffing is ground Italian sausage, bringing richness and depth. Butter adds a luxurious touch, while yellow onions and celery provide a classic, aromatic base. The herb blend of sage, rosemary, parsley, and thyme infuses the dish with quintessential Thanksgiving flavors. A pinch of nutmeg adds warmth, and chicken broth ensures the stuffing stays moist and flavorful. Now you might be wondering, is this stuffing or dressing? Technically, this recipe should be called dressing, because it's cooked outside the bird in a baking pan. Stuffing traditionally refers to the mixture cooked inside the turkey. However, stuffing has become the more common term for this type of dish, regardless of how it's cooked. The key to great stuffing lies in the bread. This recipe calls for day-old French bread, and not just any French bread. We're talking about those soft on the inside, oval-shaped loaves from the grocery store, the kind you might use for garlic bread. This bread is ideal because it's sturdy enough to hold up to the liquid ingredients without turning to mush. Making this stuffing is straightforward. Start by drying out torn bread pieces in the oven. While that's happening, brown the sausage with butter, onions, and celery. Combine the bread and sausage mixture. Add the herbs and spices, then mix in chicken broth and beaten eggs. The mixture goes into a baking dish, covered at first, then uncovered to achieve that perfect golden brown top. Serve this classic sausage stuffing alongside your Thanksgiving turkey, cranberry sauce, and green bean casserole for a truly memorable feast. It's a versatile side that pairs well with a variety of main dishes, making it a welcome addition to any holiday table. In the end, this classic sausage stuffing recipe is more than just a side dish. It's a celebration of flavors, a nod to tradition, and a surefire way to make your Thanksgiving meal truly special. Whether you're continuing a family tradition or starting a new one, this stuffing is bound to become a holiday favorite.